I'm on official business here.
Are you filming me right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So.
Have a good day.
Oh, okay, well, hey, hold on a second. Hey.
I have the marshals coming up right now, so if you feel like you're going to be harassing today.
Well, I wasn't harassing. I was just simply asking you some questions and you shut the door on my face.
Well, did you ask me if you could video me?
What, do I need your permission?
Can I ask what it is you want from us today? Well, because you were videoing me without asking my permission.
But you're videoing me without asking, right? Sponsor of today's video goes to Mr. Michael Andrews. Thank you, Mr. Michael Andrews, for your support on the DMA channel. And most importantly, thank you for everything you do for freedom. For information on how to sponsor a video, check out my memberships. The link is in the description. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hey guys, Efin Metro Audits, aka the Mile High Auditor. We're here at the Municipal Court here. Looks like Robert M. Isaac. This is here in Colorado Springs. So I just got done with City Hall over there, that building. Just came over here to check out the Municipal Courts.
How can I help you today?
Just coming in. Just coming in.
Okay.
What do you want me to do?
I want everything that's in your pocket goes in the hole, please. You filming today? No courtrooms.
No courtrooms. Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
Cool. Is there any court in session today anyways?
Might be one or two left, but no, probably not.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
All right.
We have something to film.
Excuse me. Hi. How you doing today? Good.
Can we help you?
No, I just was kind of just checking your facility out here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
So what is the Violations Bureau?
So here we handle traffic, like low traffic and high traffic violations. Here,
Okay.
so people come and pay their parking violations or traffic tickets. You know, like if you get stopped at a, flash at a red light, those red light tickets.
You guys do that here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Well, did you know that those red light, that you're talking about the intersections, they take a picture of you, that people actually don't have to pay those? The only way that those are enforceable is if they send an officer to your residence to physically serve you. That's how it is in Colorado. So a lot of times people can just literally ignore those. And I don't know if you guys send the letters, but somebody usually sends a letter saying there'll be a warrant for their arrest if they don't pay it, which is a lie. And then they just go away. So I didn't know if you were aware of that, but you're not granted your Sixth Amendment right to face your accuser, right, which is a camera. So those have actually been ruled unconstitutional in several cities, including Littleton, Colorado, which is in the Denver area. So they removed them. But just so you know that's the way it is, the way the law is. So, but a lot of people don't know that. So they think they have to pay it, and then they just pay it.
Yeah.
And really, it's just like the government just kind of strong arming the citizens and bullying them into paying something they don't actually legally have to.
I don't know. Do you know anything about that? No.
Well, now you know.
Okay.
I encourage you to do your due diligence and look it up, and see. So
Okay.
a lot of people have gotten rid of it. So,
Okay.
all right.
All right.
Can I get your name?
For what reason?
Well, I just wanted to know who I was talking to.
Municipal Clerk.
Municipal Clerk.
Yes.
You don't want to give me your first name at least?
No.
Okay. Well, you did. You're really friendly. So
Oh,
thank you for
thank
the conversation.
You're welcome.
Okay. You have a good day.
Uh,
All right, guys. So this is the area where they steal money from citizens, basically. They have an entire area for this, guys. Traffic. She said parking tickets, right? So this is just this whole area should just basically be demolished and turned into something else. Period. So you guys know how I feel about photo radar and all that kind of crap. It's just theft, guys. It's just plain out theft. So, seeing that lady, she doesn't even understand what it is. She has no clue. So we got all the security cameras up there. Okay, so this guy comes in and doesn't even acknowledge me. Just kind of ignores me. That's kind of rude. Bizarre. Really bizarre behavior. Someone's here at the front counter, but I'm holding a camera, so he doesn't even look at me and then just walks away and doesn't acknowledge me whatsoever. That's crazy. Hey, are you going to acknowledge me, or just going to continue to ignore me?
If I shut those cameras off, it'll free this up.
Hey, okay. So I guess if you...
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Hey, what's up, man? Took you a while to acknowledge my existence over here. This guy's funny, man. So, are you here to service the public, or just like ignore us, or how's that work?
I know you're recording. You have every right to record, sir.
Oh, that's true, but you haven't even acknowledged me yet, man. Like, I was like, hey, can you acknowledge me? And you just ignored me. So, is that
just here recording because you're in the other rooms as well? So
but
you can record all you want, sir.
I know I can, but okay. I need some help over here, and you're just.
What kind of help do you need, sir?
Well, first, can I get your name?
Sure, Officer Garcia.
Garcia, what's your badge number?
1751.
1751. Hey, man, you're a little bit condescending. You're pretty rude.
No, sir. Unfortunately, our cameras aren't working the best right now, and I'm trying to get them up and running because they've been going off.
No, that's totally fine. I just wish you'd be a little bit nicer to the public. You know what I mean? Not be so rude. That'd be nice. Garcia. So we got Garcia over here, guys, who just, like, I guess he hates people with cameras or something like that. I'm not sure, but totally rude. Doesn't even want to really acknowledge that I'm here. You got a business card?
I sure do, sir. There you go.
Hey, right on. You want a card too? You want a card?
No, I'm fine, sir.
No, you don't want one?
You asked for a card, so I gave you my business card, sir.
Okay, I was just going to give you a card in exchange, but if you don't want one, that's fine. All right, guys, so Chris Garcia, 1751. He's a police officer for Colorado Springs Police Department. And he's rude as hell. So we'll just hang out here for a little bit. He's super concerned about these
City Marshal's office. Sure. Yes, ma'am. I'll be right there. Okay. Bye-bye. I'll be right back, sir.
See, now he wants to talk to me and engage. Says he'll be right back. So we'll go ahead and just head out of here, but we'll come back and say goodbye to Garcia when we leave. Let's go check out the court administration. For assistance, please press button. We'll see if they'll let us in here. Hi, can I come in?
May I ask who you are?
I'm just a member of the public.
Oh, hang on just 1 second.
Okay.
So you wanted to just walk around and...
I was doing a tour of the whole area, and so I just wanted to check out the court administration.
Okay, no.
Yeah. Oh, and I can't come
you can
in?
schedule an appointment, and I'll ask our court administrator if it's okay, but...
Oh, so this is a restricted area over
It
here?
is. That's why we have...
Right. Okay. But it's open, but you have to make an appointment?
You know, I need to get approval for that.
So you have to have approval to enter into this area, period?
Well, it is a private area.
Okay. Well, because it's just, I was just wondering, because it says for assistance, please press button right there, so.
Well,
like,
assistance isn't really, I mean, that's like, are you having issues with your case? Do you need to speak? Do you need to schedule something? Do you need to know where you need to go?
Gotcha. Yeah, well, I'm on official business here.
Are you filming me right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So.
Have a good day.
Oh, okay, well, hey, hold on a second. I'm done talking to you. Wow, see you guys? Let's see how rude. She finds out that I'm filming and then she just shuts the door on me. I think that's Sandy. I mean, obviously you can come in here, but they choose who comes in. But that's what I'm saying, like, depending on what your business is, if your business is deemed to be good enough for them, then you can come back here. But I guess just like recording is not allowed. So let's push the button again. Hey.
I have the marshals coming up right now, so if you
Okay.
feel like you're going to be harassing today.
Well, I wasn't harassing. I was just simply asking you some questions, and you shut the door on
Well,
my
did you
face.
ask me if you could video me?
What, do I need your permission?
Let me go get my phone. I'll be right back.
Oh, okay, sure. You're gonna record me too?
Yes.
All right, cool. This is gonna be funny, guys. So this is Sandy.
Can I ask what it is you want from us today?
Well, I was going to ask you some questions, but then you just kind of shut the door on my face. So,
Well, because you were videoing me without
right.
asking my permission.
but you're videoing me without asking, right?
So I figured
So-
two can play this game. So.
Oh, that's fine. But here's the thing, Sandy, is that right now you're on the clock, right? So you're creating a public record. So I'm going to get that footage off of your phone, right? So I'm going to go do a public records request. And I'm going to get all that. So I'm letting you know, don't delete that because that would be a violation of CRS 18-8-114, which is abuse of public records, okay? So I have you on
I'll
camera.
email it to you. Can you send me your email
Yeah,
address?
actually,
I'll
that would be
send
great.
it to you.
Just send it
Okay.
straight to me.
Yeah,
That'd be
I'll
fine.
I'll send it to you.
I'll give you my email.
I'll email it to you.
If you email it to me, I won't go through the public records.
You don't have to. I'll email it to you.
Okay, cool. So I don't understand why you have to be like this and rude to people, the members of the public, just because they
you're
have a
walking
camera.
around our building, making people uncomfortable when
So-
we're trying to work and do our job.
Well, I'm just trying to be friendly to everyone that I'm speaking with, but you're not friendly. And see, here's the thing: is I have a
very friendly.
constitutional right to do what I'm doing here.
And I do too.
Oh yeah, you can take.
I'm a
pictures of me.
citizen of this town too.
Yeah, but you're a public employee though, right? And so that
But I'm
means
also a
you're paid
citizen
with
of
tax
this-
dollars. So you should treat members of the public with respect.
I always do.
But you're not. You are rude to me. You shut the door in my face. Now you're coming out here recording me. Well, I don't think that the taxpayers pay you to sit here on your personal cell phone and record people who are exercising their First Amendment right. What do you think? I think that the funds that people are using to pay you could be allocated in a much more efficient way than you sitting here recording me.
That's enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, listen to him. So, are you going to send me that, or am I going to have to go do a public
Not
records
a
request?
public record.
Yes, it is. She's taking a picture of me on the clock. That's a public record. And if you delete that, that's a crime, ma'am. 18-8-114, abuse of public records.
Why
can
are
be
you
prosecuted.
harassing me?
I'm not harassing, ma'am.
You
I'm
are
trying to be
harass-
friendly with you.
But
I'm trying
okay,
to be friendly.
Let's be friendly.
Okay, you want to start over? We can start over.
Door, Sandy.
I'm being told by my supervisor to close the door.
Okay, are you going to email me the footage, or do I
No.
do public? No? Okay. Don't delete that. Okay, guys, so there is a plethora of policy violations that Sandy just engaged in. But before we get into that, I want to show you something I found very interesting in their city charter. This has to do with cell phone allowance. It states, incidental and occasional use of a personal cell phone and cellular plan is expected for city business. Then it goes on to state in section 3.6, any email, account, or application on the employee's personally owned cellular device used for city business may be subject to discovery and legal hold requirements, as well as subject to production in accordance with the Colorado Open Records Act. So there you go. They are required to use their personal cell phone to conduct city business, and it is subject to inspection in accordance with Cora laws. So how could this not be a public record? Maybe they'll say she wasn't conducting city business. Well, let's check out their standards of conduct. These are examples of unacceptable conduct. First, we have wasting time during work hours. So if she's not conducting city business, then she's wasting time. Then we have work disruption or stoppage. So same thing. If she's not conducting city business, she's stopping the work that she should be doing. Then we have conducting personal business while on city time. So if it's not city business, that means she's conducting personal business, which means we are paying her to sit there and take pictures of law-abiding citizens. All right, guys, so we got Sandy over here who's a little bit ridiculous. And that's the thing, guys, they always jump to harassing. You're harassing me. And if I had, $1 every time somebody told me that I was harassing, that'd be like a paycheck right there. But the thing is, if I was literally harassing people every time that I get told that I'm harassing, how come I'm not charged with harassment yet, right? People just throw that word harassment out all willy-nilly, you know? But exercising my First Amendment right, being totally friendly and peaceful, is not harassment, guys. So let's go figure out what we need to do to do a public records request on... Hi.
How can I help you?
Hey, I'm wondering if you could point me in the right direction. I need to do a public records request.
You know what? Let me ask, and I'll be right back.
Okay, thanks.
You said a couple.
Hi there. Yeah, I was just talking to that other lady. So I needed to do a public records request. And I didn't know where I'm supposed to do that. So I was hoping you guys could point me in the right direction, or if you guys would do that.
For what entity? Do you want a public record request from the court or from CSPD?
Downstairs on the 3rd floor in the administration office, Sandy, she was taking video footage of me. So I just need to get that footage off her phone.
So Sandy Martinez is a member of the court. So you'd go downstairs to room 108. It's the Violations Bureau, and you can make any request there. They have an actual form that you can fill out for public records requests.
Okay, 108.
108, Violations Bureau, all the way down, all the way on the
I was there
east
earlier.
side of the building.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Chantel Withrow.
Thank you, Chantel. Okay.
Hello.
Hi there. I need to do a public records request. Do you have a form for that?
Okay. Is it just like a background check for somebody or?
Sandy Martinez on the 3rd floor was taking video footage of me. So I need to get that record. She made a public record, so I need to get that off her phone.
Okay, let me see what I can do.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. Okay, so there's nothing that we can really give you to release that because it's on her personal phone.
No, ma'am, that's not the law. So it doesn't matter if it's her personal phone or a business phone. If she's in her official capacity and she creates a public record, then that's public record. It's open to the public, ma'am. So that would be a violation of Colorado Revised Statute 18-8-114, which is abuse of public records. So it doesn't matter, personal cell phone. Trust me, I do this for a living, and I've gotten pictures as well as video footage off of personal cell phones all across the state. So that's absolutely not true.
I mean, that's just the information I was given from my supervisor. I don't really know.
Okay, who's the supervisor?
Josephine.
Josephine?
Mm-hmm.
Can I speak with her, please?
Hi.
Hi, you're Josephine?
I am.
Yeah, so, yeah, your employee here, I guess you're saying that because it's a personal cell phone, then that's not public record? So that's not true, ma'am. So if she is in her official capacity, it doesn't matter if it's a business phone or a personal phone. She created a public record, which means it's open to the public now. So if you do not provide that to me, that would be in violation of CRS 18-8-114, which is abuse of public records. I do this for a living. I'm a civil liberties activist, and I have gotten video footage off of several city employees on their personal cell phones, ma'am. So that is definitely, absolutely, I have a lawful right to obtain that.
Well, we don't have a request form for you to
That's
do
okay.
that.
I don't have to have a request form. I could write it down on a piece of paper. I mean, that's the way the law works. As long as I submit that request to you, that's all. I don't have to be like on an actual form, you know?
Right. Well, it's not a public record at this time, so there's nothing for you to fill out.
Yes, ma'am. It is a public record.
Well,
so.
You can do whatever you need
Do you have a
to,
business
but
card?
I do not.
What's your name? Josephine Juvera?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're really going to make me go to the police station, ma'am, and file a criminal complaint on you to do this? Really? I mean, I don't want to have to do that, ma'am. You should be educated and understand that it doesn't matter if it's a personal cell phone, and you should just let me get the information. Let me do the public records request, because it's not going to be a good look for you.
Well, you can wait. The clerk of court is on her way too. You can have that conversation with her as well. But
Oh, she's on her way?
down here, yes.
Okay. Did you call her over here?
I did ask her to come down, yes.
Because I'm here?
Because you're asking for a records request, so
Okay.
she's the one who processes certain record requests.
Okay, so she's the one in charge. She's the custodian of records?
Correct.
Okay.
For court records.
Gotcha. This isn't really a court record, though.
Correct.
This is like,
It's a private cell phone, so
right.
it's
But
not a public record.
It is a public record, ma'am, Josephine.
Okay, well,
It's
you can
public
have a
record.
seat, and when she gets here, you can have the
Okay,
same
what's her name?
Wendy.
So Wendy's on her way?
She is.
Okay. All right, Josephine. You should learn the law, ma'am. You're violating my rights right now. It's not cool.
Do better!
Are you Wendi?
I am.
Okay. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good.
I could be doing better though. So I came in here, I was doing a tour of the building. Everyone was really friendly. I had a conversation with that lady over there. She wouldn't give me her name, but I've been having good conversations with people. I went up to the 3rd floor and to the administration office. I pushed the button and Sandy came out and was pretty rude to me. And then she shut the door in my face. I was just trying to ask her a couple of questions. I don't think she liked that I was recording. So I kind of sat there for a little while and then I pushed the button again. And then she came out and told me that I was harassing her. So I'm not harassing, I was just trying to, like I said, get some information.
Let's move over just a little bit more
Sure.
so these gals can help people coming in.
So anyways, she started, she didn't like that I was recording. So she went and got her personal cell phone and came out and started recording me. And I said, well, why are you recording me? And she said, well, because you're recording me without my permission. So I said, okay, so now you're going to record me without my permission. And she said, yeah, because 2 can play that game. I said, okay, well, I mean, I don't mind being recorded. As you know, we have a lawful right to record in here. So, but I told her that she's creating a public record. So it doesn't matter if it's a personal cell phone or business cell phone. And I told her not to delete that because that would be a violation of Colorado Revised Statute 18-8-114, which is abuse of public records. So I'm a civil liberties activist. I've gotten dozens of footage and pictures off of personal cell phones from public employees all across the state. So Josephine was telling me that because it's a personal cell phone, that it's not a public record. Mm-hmm. So that's just absolutely not true. So that's basically the entirety of my business here. I just need to fill out a records request, or she said they don't have forms, but I can write down on a piece of paper.
So we would have no authority to enforce that because it's a personal cell phone. It would be no different from me trying to get the footage off of your camera.
No. See, the difference is because I'm a private citizen, mm-hmm. and you are a public employee in your official capacity, right? So that's the difference. Of course, you can't get my footage because I'm private. You are paid with tax dollars. So Sandy Martinez up there, doesn't matter, ma'am.
So it sounds like you've done this before.
I've done it, like I said, several times.
Okay,
but
so how have you been able to retrieve personal cell phone records?
Well, usually people just follow the law and they just give me a records request, and then it's Cora. You have 3 days to respond, and then they respond and what they're going to do with the records. It usually takes 3 to 7 days. I usually get the footage via email.
So the official Cora process is actually on our city website. So if you'd like to file a Cora request, you have to go through that process.
Well, again, ma'am, that's also not true because I also do homeless outreach. So if a homeless person comes in here and they don't have access to the internet, there has to be a way, like a physical form that they can write or fill out.
So you can do that over at the CAB building.
You have a computer
because
there?
it's managed all through city communications, I think, is who manages our Cora requests. So yeah, it would have to go through them.
Okay. So do you have a business card?
I don't, actually. I have some upstairs in my office. What exactly are you needing?
I just want to document you just write your name down for me, maybe?
Sure.
And contact info, like email or something?
Okay, so you can reach us at Municipal Court Violations at coloradosprings.gov. I'm Wendi. I'm the only one in the building.
All right.
Okay.
So I guess that's it then.
That's it.
So just education for you. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And then,
okay.
Like I said, as you know, they have 3 days to respond. If they don't, if they deny me the footage, then I'll have to file a 14-day letter of intent to sue.
Okay.
And so just so you know, it doesn't matter. Just a little education for you for the next time this happens, because I'm going to definitely have to come in and do a follow-up now. I'm actually new here.
Okay.
I'm from Denver, but
okay.
I'm moving to Colorado Springs. So I'm going to have to come back now and do a follow-up. But when I come back, if people start taking pictures of me, it doesn't matter, ma'am, if it's a personal cell phone. Okay, it's public record. So just a little education for you, all right?
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Wendi.
Sure.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Good.
You can go back to work.
All right.
All right. All right, guys. So we were gonna have to go do a Cora request for that footage off her phone. Hopefully she won't delete it, because that will be a misdemeanor crime, which is punishable by up to 30 days in the county jail and a $100 fine. So I believe it's 30 days. Maybe it's only 10. I'm not sure. 100%. Guys, don't quote me on that. So. Were you the one that was up on the 3rd floor? Are you Sandy's supervisor?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I should let her know I'm doing a public records request for that footage on her phone.
It's not a public record.
It is, sir.
No,
It doesn't matter. She's in her official capacity. It doesn't matter if she's her personal cell phone, sir. If she's recording me, it's a public record. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I do this for a living.
Good.
Look at this guy. Another rude public employee here.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, what's up, Garcia? So I actually met some public employees up here that are even ruder than you, man. It's crazy.
I'm sorry to hear that, sir.
Yeah, I know, me too. So, well, I thought it was going to be good. I mean, in the beginning, people were really nice, and then you kind of were rude to me, and then up on the 3rd floor, we got Sandy. She's totally rude too. And we got this guy right here. I don't even know his name. Sandy's supervisor. Total douche knuckle.
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way, sir.
You're sorry? I don't think so. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and I guess we're gonna get out of here. So we will do a public records request on that footage, see what happens, what they're gonna do. So I go online, fill out the CORA request, and this is the response I receive. A search of city files located no record responsive to your request. The record you request is considered personal and not a public record related to city business and no longer exists at the personal discretion of Ms. Martinez. So Sandy Martinez is in violation of the law by deleting the footage. Her supervisor failed her because he's ignorant of the law, and whoever responded to my CORA request is ignorant of the law. So what do we do now? So we are coming in here to file a report against Sandy Martinez for deleting the footage off of her phone. And I'm here with lovely sweet T AudiTs. I'll sit down. I just want to get a good shot for the record.
Okay.
Are you going to sit down?
Yes.
Okay.
You sit first.
You got to sit first so I get the frame right.
Okay.
Thank you.
The crime occurred on 2/8/23 at approximately 2:30 p.m. I pushed the button. Sandy Martinez came out. She came out with her cell phone and started taking video footage of me. The record you requested is considered personal and not a public record related to city business and no longer exists at the personal discretion of Ms. Martinez. So basically she deleted that, so she committed a crime. It's a misdemeanor.
Do you mind if I take a photograph of that?
Sure.
I will take a case report on it. I will document everything. All right. So your case report number is going to be 23-08492.
Okay.
All right.
Cool. So that guy actually thinks that if you do it on your personal cell phone, it's not a public record. Hi. It's just sad, man, that these employees don't know their job. They don't know the law. They're misinformed. That guy over there is rude. You know, it's funny because they're the ones like this guy and Sandy are over there saying how I'm rude and I'm harassing them. When to the contrary, I was very polite the whole time. Very polite. She was the one being rude. And then guess what? Her supervisor is the one that's just sticking up for her, saying it's not a public record. You know what I mean? What he should be doing is telling her, hey, Sandy, get back to work. All right, you're not getting paid to sit there and take video footage of law-abiding citizens. But instead, he wants to say, oh, it's not a public record, and be condescending to me and walking away, right? So this is your Colorado Springs Municipal Court, guys, right here. This is the way they treat members of the public because they have a camera, right? And not all of them. Some of them were nice. There's a bunch of bad ones in here.
Thank you.
Say it. All right, guys. So I might wait for the footage off of her phone to add to the story on this one. But that is your municipal court building right here, which is Robert M. Isaac. It is a fail. They didn't do a very good job. They could have done a lot better. So that's it, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, you've been here for a while, consider subscribing. It really helps us out a lot. And until next time, guys, That's the reason I stopped you today.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.